Hi, it's Michelle from White & Co. Today I want to talk to you about the Sunday jeans. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more cool, a little bit more on trend, then these joggers are definitely going to be the ones for you. I love this vintage feel and the wash on the light blue, but they also come in a dark blue denim as well. These two both have the lurex silver trim going down the side, which is what really sets them apart from any other jogger. They also come in the light wash, but with the gold and the white trim down the side. And as I say, they've got this real vintage sort of feel to them. They have got a good amount of stretch in them. I'm wearing a size small, normally a size 8 to 10, but for a bit more of a fitted look, I've stuck with the small, and I know that they will give a little bit. But if I wanted a bit more of a relaxed jogger look, I would definitely size up. For more details on all the sizes, always check our fit notes on the website. There's a detailed amount of information there and you won't go wrong. So just add a tee, add the Sunday joggers, and you've just got a really easy outfit.